Hello and welcome back to Homespot. Are you ready to transform your outdoor space with the raw, weathered beauty of the ocean? Today, we are diving deep into stunning DIY driftwood projects that will bring a serene, coastal rustic vibe to any yard this spring. Let us get started on this journey of natural garden inspiration. Transform a hollowed driftwood log into a stunning living centerpiece by nestling vibrant succulents within its natural ridges. This organic planter brings a touch of coastal charm to your spring garden, blending the silver gray texture of sun-bleached wood with the fleshy greens and purples of echeveria for a perfectly balanced rustic look. Capture the essence of the ocean by crafting a delicate wind chime from small driftwood pieces and frosted sea glass. As spring breezes drift through your yard, these natural materials create a gentle, melodic sound. It is a simple yet effective way to add both visual beauty and soothing coastal vibes to any patio space. Elevate your garden walls by mounting a gnarled driftwood branch vertically as a host for spiky airplants. This low-maintenance decoration highlights the wood's intricate grain while providing a unique sculptural element. It is a brilliant way to introduce vertical interest and exotic textures into your outdoor spring landscape without requiring any soil. Define your garden walkways with the soft, organic lines of weathered driftwood logs. By placing long, slender pieces along your path, you create a rustic boundary that feels much more natural than traditional plastic or brick edging. This coastal touch beautifully complements blooming spring bulbs and fresh green mulch for a very cohesive yard. Brighten up a shaded corner by framing an outdoor mirror with small, uniform pieces of sea-washed driftwood. This DIY project reflects the vibrant colors of your spring flowers while adding a layer of coastal texture. It is a clever trick to make smaller garden spaces feel significantly larger and much more open to the natural light. Create a bold focal point on your fence with a sunburst sculpture made from varying lengths of driftwood. This radial design mimics the sun's rays, adding a sense of energy and warmth to your outdoor area. It is a fantastic way to utilize smaller wood scraps while making a major artistic statement in your spring garden. Add a touch of magic to your evenings by using curved driftwood branches as natural hooks for solar lanterns. These rustic supports blend into the trees and shrubs much better than metal hangers. As the sun sets on a spring evening, these driftwood accents provide a warm, inviting glow that enhances your yard's coastal atmosphere. Support your spring climbers with a unique trellis built from interlocking driftwood branches. This ghostwood structure provides a gnarled, artistic framework for sweet peas or jasmine to weave through. Unlike standard store-bought trellises, this natural version adds character and a rugged coastal vibe even before the flowers have fully covered the weathered wood. Combine boho style with coastal textures by using a smooth piece of driftwood as a support for macrame plant hangers. This pairing creates a relaxed, artistic vibe that is perfect for a spring porch or pergola. The contrast between the soft cotton cords and the hard, weathered wood adds a sophisticated rustic touch to your display. Create an authentic beach bonfire atmosphere in your own backyard by using oversized driftwood trunks as seating around a fire pit. These massive, weather-worn logs offer a raw and sturdy place to sit while enjoying cool spring nights. The natural shapes of the wood encourage a relaxed, informal gathering spot for friends and family to enjoy. Add a layer of interest to your garden pond by letting a large, gnarled driftwood log float on the surface. When anchored with aquatic mosses, it becomes a natural habitat for local wildlife like frogs and dragonflies. This floating island adds a sense of wild, coastal beauty to your water feature during the vibrant spring season. Transform a striking driftwood branch into a piece of fine art by inlaying small seashells and sea glass into its surface. This project combines the raw power of the ocean with delicate detailing. Placed as a centerpiece on a garden table, this sculpture catches the spring light and serves as a sophisticated reminder of the seaside. Set the mood for an outdoor dinner by crafting a low-profile candelabra from a flat driftwood plank. Carving small wells for votive candles allows you to bring a flickering, romantic glow to your patio table. The silver gray wood provides a perfect rustic base that looks stunning alongside fresh spring flower arrangements and simple linen napkins. Mimic the way orchids grow in the wild by securing them directly onto a large, upright driftwood centerpiece. The nooks and crannies of the wood provide the perfect environment for roots to cling. This orchid tree becomes a breathtaking floral sculpture in your spring garden, blending exotic blooms with the timeless, rugged beauty of coastal wood. Make a great first impression by painting your house numbers onto a chunky, rectangular piece of weathered driftwood, mounted near your garden gate. This sign offers a clear signal of your home's coastal rustic style. It is a durable and unique alternative to standard metal numbers, perfectly suited for the fresh and inviting atmosphere of spring. From gnarled planters to artistic wind chimes, we have explored how simple pieces of driftwood can completely redefine your garden's aesthetic this spring. These coastal rustic ideas prove that nature provides the best materials for a truly unique yard. If you enjoyed these transformations, please like this video, subscribe to Homespot for more creative ideas, and let us know which project you will try first in the comments.